Hey, I'm Lauren from tastypc.tv and today we're doing an overview on the Enermax Revolution87 Plus 850 watt semi-modular power supply. So this power supply has been out for quite a while now, but I'm giving one away as part of the Tasty PC Advent Calendar competition and wanted to do a full video on it. So I'm going to start by taking a look at the box. Looking at the box, Enermax have done a really nice job of packaging the Revolution87. So this power supply has an 80 plus gold efficiency rating and comes with a 5-year warranty. Looking at the back of the box, here is a list of all of the features. A lot of them originating from server technology, which is great. Now this power supply was actually tested at an ambient room temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, which is much higher than lesser power supplies which are tested at a lower temperature to improve their performance output tables and efficiency. Now one feature that I really love about this power supply is that the fan doesn't actually turn off until 30 to 60 seconds after you shut your PC down, and that's to remove any remaining heat. And if I just zoom in on the efficiency graph, you can see that the Revolution87 has an efficiency of more than 87%. And then looking at this side of the box, the Revolution87 has 4 plus 12 volt rails with a maximum of 30 amps each, or a total maximum of 70 amps. In the box you get the modular cables and a bag to put the spare ones, an Enermax sticker and 4 mounting screws, 2 velcro cable ties, a manual, the power cable and a cable guard, and this stops you from accidentally being able to pull the power cable out of the back of the power supply. Looking at the modular cables, I really love how the sleeving looks. It looks like those beautiful coral snakes, although I would have liked it if the sleeving had started maybe a bit sooner. So we've got 2 PCIe cables, each one with 2 connectors, which is 6 plus 2. We've got 2 SATA cables, each with 4 connectors. We've got a cable with 4 Molex connectors and a floppy connector, and we've got 2 cables which are both 2 SATA and 2 Molex. Looking at the power supply itself, I have to say I really love its design. I think this is the sexiest power supply that I've ever seen, and I think the gold and black theme would go really nicely with something like an ASRock Extreme board with its gold caps. So here we've got an Enermax twisted bearing fan, and these are very high quality long lasting fans. On the side we've got Revolution87 Plus written in gold. On the bottom of the power supply we've got the output table. On this side we've got the on-off switch, the plug and an Enermax sticker. And on this side you can see where you plug in your modular cables. So then taking a look at the fitted cables, we've got a 24 pin cable, 2 PCIe cables which are both 6 plus 2, and 2 12 volt CPU cables, one which is 8 and one which is 4 plus 4. Moving on to the conclusion, I feel like I can kind of give this video a review end, seeing as Hardware Heaven have already done a full written review on this power supply including tests, and if you're interested in that I'll put the link in the description below, but given their results it looks like this power supply is definitely a solid performer. It does everything it claims and it's just what you'd expect from a brand like Enermax. Although this power supply has been out for quite a while now and is due a refresh, mainly because new high-end power supplies have semi-passive cooling, where if the power supply is below a certain load, the fan just doesn't turn on, and even though this power supply isn't loud, it's just something that I would like to see. But overall I do really like this power supply. I will definitely be using it in a build, although I'm not sure which one yet. But that was my overview of the Enermax Revolution87 Plus power supply. If you liked the video, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.